I hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Colin, and in this video I will show you my results using the Memepad.co IDO Launchpad participating in the Girlstory launch. So if you're not familiar, I participate in quite a lot of initial DEX offerings, launches of new coins on launchpads, of which one of my favorites currently is Memepad.co. I have a couple videos on my channel already with the results of these IDO participations. In this video, I will highlight the incredible successful launch of Girlstory, the Metagril token. Nothing in this video is financial advice. A quick disclaimer, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am at memepad.co right now, as you can see. Got the website here. In this video, I will discuss how you can participate, the allocation levels, the return I had with Girlstory, and what is to expect of this project. So first of all, to be able to participate in IDOs on memepad.co, you need to stake the Memepad token. This can be done on different levels: the Pleb level, the chat level, and the Elon level. For the Pleb level, you need 10,000 MEPAD tokens. For the chat level, you need 69,000 MEPAD tokens. And for the Elon level, you need 420,000 MEPAD tokens. I'm currently on the chat level. So obviously, I have had tremendous gains just on the MEPAD token itself. I got in a couple of weeks ago and the price has steadily gone up. You can join this for, let's see how much currently. Coin market cap, pull up the Memepad token. It's about 13 cents right now. So what you'll notice across the months, it has had a huge run up of successful projects, and obviously that pushes up the price because more people want to join. And every time before an IDO, the price goes up because people want to participate, and after an IDO there is a small dump. So that will happen in waves. This will give you a good opportunity when it's a good time to buy and when it might be a good time to sell if you no longer want to participate in the IDOs. So right now it's about 14 cents. So you can participate, which will cost you about $1,400 at the moment. And you get a pool weight of 10 with a guaranteed allocation. This will cost you significantly more, and this will cost you significantly more, right? So do your research in which allocation level might be best for you. Keep in mind, I'm on the chat level, and for the Girlstory, I will tell you which allocation I got. So when we look at the launchpad, Girlstory launch happened a couple of days ago, which was the 15th. Today is the 20th, so it happened 5 days ago, the token distribution. The address is there, and what happens with the Memepad Launchpad, what is good to know is that the tokens that I have participated in the project are always airdropped minutes before the launch, right? So they're always on time. I got an allocation of 284.49 Metagirl, which came about to about 0.09 BNB. Translated, I have it here in Excel, got me about a $53 allocation with. Right? To be able to get that, you need to get your tokens, log into memepad.co, go to staking on the left-hand side, see the Memepad IDO pool right here, and stake your tokens. It says pool locked until the end and date December 2nd. So once your tokens are staked, and as you can see, I got 69,000 staked. So I'm on the chat level, about $10,000 worth. You cannot withdraw your tokens. As you can see, you can only add more until the 2nd of December. So you can see the total staked amount, and you get 102% APY on this. The more tokens are staked, the lower the APY. So when I started staking, the APY was about 1,000. Obviously 10 times more people have joined since then, and obviously that's the reason why the price has gone up significantly. So the APY has come down, but I'm still benefiting from having the increased token price. So I got in for about $4,000. Right now it's $10,000, so I'm super happy. On the Girlstory project, it's actually quite a cool game. They have about 60,000 followers, so it was one of the bigger projects. It's like an anime style game. When you go to the website, the game is playable. It's a play to earn. They have a small metaverse, a marketplace, tokenomics. It's all quite clear, but all quite basic in my opinion. So I see that there's quite a bit of traction on this. If you look at their Telegram as well and their Twitter, they're highly engaged. Right now, obviously we want to know about the price. So I have the chart right here, currently sitting about $1.7548. Pulling it up for the launch, about a 10-minute chart, going all the way back to the launch. Let me just scroll. So I'm on the 17th right now, 16th. Yeah, here's the launch. So on the launch, it opened basically at the IDO price, right? I think 20 cents. It got a huge spike, as it always does, because people are sniping the project. So it went all the way up to $5.80 with an all-time high achieving, due to the slippage probably, of about $12. Then it dumped, which makes sense. People take profit, especially on the IDO. Stabilized at about $2.60, right? When the days go on, let me create a bigger chart for you. The price went down a little bit because of the initial dip of Bitcoin, right, specifically this day, and the coin is yet to recover. However, I'm going to show you the profits based on the current price, right? So the Girlstory investment that I made was 0.9046, which is basically copied from this, because I put down my max allocation, right? That is what I put in. Then that's about $43.50. I got 285 Girlstory for this. Metagirl is the official tag. And the exchange rate right now is $1.7, $75. Well, I can make it 75. Which is about 498, about $500. So the actual ROI is times 9.31, which is obviously an incredible return. However, there is vesting on this project, so you do not get 100% of your coins on the token generation event, which means that I believe I got 20%. And what I'm looking to do with these IDOs is cover my initial investment, and that has obviously happened. So then I'm happy. Everything else I get later on in terms of tokens is additional profit. Looking at this game, right, at the potential, that is actually a well-functioning game. It is playable. You know, people are making reviews of this game. It's actually working. They have a launch calendar when things are being launched, which is all basically in the upcoming days, or it has just happened, which means that over the next couple of days, I expect there to be additional traction on this project. Do I care a whole lot about this project? No. The reason why is because for me, the allocation is not that big compared to my portfolio. It is extremely small, right? However, I know that a lot of people watching these videos, perhaps you, do not have such a big allocation as me. And when I say big, I mean hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? So in that case, that you maybe have only $100 to $1,000 to play with, right? Because only invest what you're willing to lose, always do your own research. In this case, then this Memepad has a super low barrier of entry and is highly profitable. If we look at the other projects, which I have covered on my channel, you know, 6,700 all-time high, over 9,000% all-time high, 9,000% all-time high. So I participated in Meme Wars. I have a video on my channel. I participated in Tribe. I have a video of this on my channel, and now I'm covering Girlstory, and maybe in the future I'll be covering the Floki Fam launch. But I just love the Memepad platform because yes, the allocations are small, but the returns are still significant. And if you pick up, you know, an extra $500 every single week, over time, the compounding will be extremely significant. So for me, even with the smaller allocations, it is 100% worth it. And in my opinion, it might also be worth it for you, especially because a lot of Launchpad require a large investment. I'm talking tens of thousands of dollars, like Seedify, like BinStarter, to get any significant allocation, right? And although the allocations here might be small, the investment is also extremely small. Other than that, if you would have staked when I staked, which is basically right around this period, 5th of November, then you would also have like a more than triple ROI on the coin itself. So not only are these IDOs extremely profitable so far, right? In addition, the tokens are doing well. The core token is also doing well, and I hope, especially for the Girlstory, to see somewhat of a recovery. So you can see where it started trading here. It just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It has about just under $1 million market cap. So if the promotion of this coin will launch soon, right, the marketing, I expect, you know, hopefully a $2 hold would be very nice. for me over the next few months, because I'm still looking to receive my airdrops, right? So if I get another 80% of my tokens of the initial, how much was it? 200 something, 284. So I've only received a small allocation. I think I still need to receive 200. We're still talking about, $250, $400 worth, which then we could either sell or we could stake, or there might be some other opportunities present that we could utilize this for, which basically means that I'm very excited on what's to come for Girlstory. I haven't played the game. I'm not looking forward to game. I'm an investor. Right, so basically I'm looking for the flip opportunity, but at least I'm happy that Memepad right now is focusing on actual projects that actually have some utility. Because it's called Memepad, you might think, they only have shit projects. But if you look at the track record of the projects, obviously the all-time highs are significantly higher than you would normally expect. There's always a drop, right? So if you look at any of the charts of these coins, there's always a drop later on, maybe 25-50% reduction of the all-time high. Yet still, that means that they're extremely profitable, which I like. Obviously, the historic performance is no guarantee for future events, a classic investment saying, but I'm looking forward to the Valhalla tools, the memes, which they have yet to be announced when they're coming. But of course, we had the Floki fam, so we had like 3 launches in 1 week. And obviously, as you can see, they were all extremely successful. So I might cover the actual Floki fam in a separate video. I just want to let you guys know, I'm a fan of Memepad. Everything has been going well for me. I'm not going to say it is best for big investors, because it's not. This is more an IDO launchpad for smaller investors. If you want to consider, I would say, the big ones like CDFI, Binstarter, Launch Zone, which do not give you proper allocation for the budget that you might be working with. When I'm saying, $1,000 maybe to $4,000 worth, then Memepad is definitely a good option to consider. And that's basically what I want to say. Girlstory, I'm happy with the project. I'm happy that at least it doesn't look like complete garbage. This is not a meme project. It's actually like a real NFT play to earn game. The game is actually live, and it goes to an app. So you need to connect your wallet, and it looks like, you got training, inventory, market shop, you got quests going. I wish the Girlstory team a lot of good luck getting this project off the floor with their marketing, and hopefully we will see a $2 Metagirl again soon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you want to have a conversation with the upcoming IDOs that I'm looking to invest in, feel free to join my free Telegram channel down below, where I do a weekly giveaway of $100 in Bitcoin, which you can also participate in. If you are ready and you have questions on the Girlstory or the Memepad, obviously, as always, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. Every day I take a moment to answer all of your questions. If you're looking for more Memepad videos, check out my channel where I have a bunch of them listed. All the projects that I've participated in, I always review to let you know if it was either great or awful. I hope you appreciate the transparency. I hope to see you in the next one.